Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Running Python on Windows 7 is a straightforward process that can be accomplished in a few simple steps. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to run Python on Windows 7 like a pro. Step 1. Download Python. Visit the official Python website at https://www.python.org/downloads. Choose the version of Python you want to download, example Python 3.8.5. Click on the download button to save the installer to your computer. Step 2. Install Python. Locate the downloaded Python installer, example Python 3.8.5 amd64.exe, and double-click on it to start the installation process. Check the box that says Add Python 3.x to path during the installation to ensure Python is added to your system path. Follow the installation wizard instructions and complete the installation. Step 3. Verify Python installation. Open the command prompt by pressing Win+R, typing cmd, and hitting enter. Type Python version and press enter to check if Python is installed correctly. You should see the Python version number displayed on the screen. Step 4. Run Python code. Create a new Python script file with a .py extension using a text editor like Notepad or Visual Studio Code. Write your Python code in the script file, example a simple hello, world, program. Save the script file to a location on your computer. Open the command prompt and navigate to the directory where your script file is saved using the cd command. Run your Python script by typing python scriptname.py and pressing enter. Replace scriptname.py with the actual name of your script file. Example Python code, hello.py. To run the Python script hello.py, follow these steps. Save the script to a directory on your computer. Open the command prompt and navigate to the directory where hello.py is saved. Type python hello.py and press enter. You should see hello, world, printed on the screen. By following these steps, you can run Python on Windows 7 like a pro and start writing and executing Python code on your computer. Happy coding!